What's up, y'all? This is Elijah from Financial Anatomy. You know the drill. We talk about apps that involve money on this channel, and we're here to help you take control of your financial destiny. We're going to be talking about the Venmo app and a new feature called Auto Reload and what it means and what you can do with it. So you want to start off by opening the Venmo app up, then click on the Me icon at the bottom right hand of the screen. From here, the balance section will appear, and just click on Add Money as if you were getting ready to add money. You'll see a new option that appears called Auto Reload. If you click on it, this option is currently off, but let's read what it says. Be ready to send or spend. Set a minimum balance and get top-offs when you're too low. So essentially what that means is you can set a minimum balance that your Venmo account will be at all times, and if your account drops below that balance, like let's say you bought something, it will automatically add money to your account from your preferred method. So we're going to click this on, and it breaks down the dynamics of what we just said. So you can set a minimum balance. In this case, it's $25. If I click on it, I can change the amount. Currently, you can alter between $25, $50, $100, and $200. And you can also set how much money will be added to the account when it drops below the minimum balance. So if I click on Reload Amount, the same thing applies. If I wanted to add $25, $50, $100, or $200 once my account drops below that minimum. And lastly, you can control the source of where the money is going to be coming from when this happens. So it automatically has my default option selected, which is a debit card that's linked. But if I click on it, I can pick a debit card that's linked, or I can pick a bank account that's linked. And if it's not linked, well, I can add it right here where it says add bank or card. Once I'm ready, I just click done, and that will be set up. That does it for this video. If you have any other questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. We're actually aiming to hit 10,000 subscribers soon, and we're only about 300 subscribers away. So if you could subscribe, that'd be greatly appreciated. We can hit that milestone, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found value in it. See you in the next video, and don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.